Hello everyone. Welcome to online session Standard 5th Computer Subject. Lesson number 8 Algorithm and Flowchart. In our daily life, we carry out a certain step in a sequential order to perform a task or to get a desired output. Let us understand the above statement with the help of example given below. Process of brushing a teeth. Pick a toothbrush from the holder. Turn on the tap of wash basin. Rinse the brush and turn off the tap. Apply a toothpaste on the brush. Start brushing your teeth. Clean the brush. Rinse your mouth. Pick a tongue cleaner and rinse it. Clean your tongue. Rinse mouth again. Finally, you get the desired result, that is germs-free mouth. Similarly, to solve any problem on a computer, we analyze and understand the nature of the problem first. We plan the input and apply some method step by step to get the desired result. This step by step procedure to solve any problem is called the algorithm. Algorithm Algorithm is a set of sequential steps to solve any logical or a mathematical problem. Algorithm is always written in a simple language and precise manner so that everyone can understand the step. Example: algorithm to set a school bag. Step 1: open the bag. Step 2: take out your school diary. Step 3: see the timetable. Step 4: go to your bookshelf. Step 5: take out the books and notebook. Step 6: keep them in a bag. Step 7: close the bag. Example number 2: algorithm to calculate the sum and average of three numbers. Step 1: read first number A. Step 2: read the second number in a B. Step 3: read the third number in a C. Step 4: find the sum of the three numbers A plus B plus 3. Step 5: find the average. A plus B plus 3 divide 3. Step 6: display the average. Step 7: stop. Flowchart. A flowchart is a pictorial representation of step or an algorithm used for solving a particular problem. To create a flowchart, different boxes are used which are connected to each other with the help of flow lines. Different boxes and their function. Start or stop box. It is used in the beginning and ending of a flowchart. Input or output box. It is used for accepting the inputs or giving output of the program. Processing box. It is used for writing the processing instruction and doing the calculation. Decision and condition box. It is used for checking or applying any condition in the program. Flow lines. Flow line shows the direction in which the program is moving. These arrows are used to connect the various geometrical symbols in a flow chart. Connector. These are used to connect one part of a flow chart to another. Simple problems of flow charting. Process of making tea. Start. Take a pan, water, sugar, tea leaves and milk. Put pan on the gas burner and pour the water in it. Switch on the gas. Put some tea leaves when water boils. Put some sugar and add milk also. After processing, take off the pan and turn off the gas. Save it in a cup and serve the hot tea. Stop. Example number 2. Calculate the sum, difference and product of a two number. Start. Read the two numbers A and B. Sum is equal to A plus B. Display the sum. Difference is equal to A minus B. Display the difference. Product is equal to A multiply B. Display the product. Stop. The general direction of a flow in any flowchart is from top to bottom of or left to right. If the program logic is complicated, in that case flowchart become complex. If alterations are needed, you may require to draw a flowchart again.